Currently landed in Punta Cana, waiting for Brock. Still not here. The boys are hangry, the boys are thirsty, and the boys are ready to get this party going. What are we doing?
We're waiting for Ben and Brock because they decided to just not fly with us. Take the 3-hour later flight and just wait in line. So,
what's your current status?
Hangry, tired, I need food.
What's up, boys? Go-to drink.
I got some vodka lemonade. Earlier I had a coco rosa. Earlier before that I had a pina colada. And before that I had a pina colada.
What's your number one?
I like pina colada. I got brain freeze, man.
Alright. Yo, what are you drinking?
Beer. Dude, bad choice.
What are you drinking there?
Doing simple. I got a Diet Coke and rum, but I tried the Blue Coral and that might be my number one now.
Grek, what are you drinking?
Diet Coke and rum. But we've been feeling the mojitos lately, so probably gonna switch to the mojitos.
What's your go-to drink today?
Not today. Every time I go to a resort, always rum and pineapple. Get you hydrated, get your vitamin C, get your vitamin D, you're feeling good, and that's that.
That's why you're never sick.
Memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah.
Alright boys, How we feeling after the slides?
Dead. Dead.
There you have it, folks. Dead, bruised, shot, all of the above.
Hi. Call it.
3, 2, 1, 4. That was awful.
Terrible.
3, 2, 1, 5.
Oh!
Why didn't nobody move?
3, 2, 1, 2.
Oh! Bang!
3, 2, 1, 3.
3, 2, 1, 1.
3, 2, 1, 3.
Let's go!
Your own finger go.